What is going on, guys? Today we have here a 2012 Toyota Camry. This is a hybrid. Now you see we had a leak on the hybrid radiator. I believe that's what it's called. So, so the first thing that we have to do is we're gonna remove this plastic cover, which is held by some plastic pins. As you see, there's one flying. Okay, well, somehow it got punctured. Could be by maybe a rock or something hit it. Okay, so we're gonna have to take this away. So we need a 10 millimeters to remove all those. I think these are 12s, or we can just disconnect it. Okay, now we have access to the small radiator, and we're gonna have one bolt here, one here, this hose, then we have one here, another hose. Okay, there's also one more over here, which they are also 10 millimeters. Okay, I'm gonna start by removing the hose. Now on the cap also says don't open when hot. So if you're doing this with the car still hot, kind of have to wait till it goes down, or just kind of be careful. I'd rather just wait till it goes down. Okay, and here's a new one from AutoZone. This is the part number. Gotta make sure that they are the same. So one of the hoses, or one of the outlets, is at the top, and the other one is in the middle. We have the top brackets, one bolt here, and then one on the side. Okay, you'll have two different size bolts. Now the longer ones, they go on top, and the short ones, they go on the bottom. Okay, now we're gonna do the hose. One on this side and one on the other side. Do the clamps and put this piece on top. Okay, guys, so in my opinion, this job is not very hard. The only one that you might have problem is the bolt on the side of the radiator. But other than that, it should be pretty easy. And I'm just using just regular antifreeze. Uh, Obviously, the same color that it had. I couldn't see anything about the special antifreeze. Okay, guys, well, there you have it. Thanks a lot for watching and see you on the next video.